Good morning. We will pay attention to the appropriation account today. The appropriation account is used after the trading account and profit and loss account was completed. So in the trading account, you will record the sales and cost of sales to determine the gross profit. In the profit and loss account, you will record the income and expenses to determine the net profit. And then that net profit will be given to you. And you will distribute that profit between dividends and income tax and retain some of the income in the business. Now, in this exercise, they didn't give us the profit and loss figure, so we will have to work it out by balancing. If I look at my retained income at the beginning of the year, it was 81,900. So that retained income will be debited and the appropriation account will be credited with the 81,900. At the end of the year, the closing balance for the retained income is 123,870. So it means the business retained income up to the end of the previous year of 81,000. They kept back that 81,000 again, plus an additional amount, so that the closing retained income is 123,870. Now, out of this profit that you made and the retained income, you will pay dividends. And they give us the dividends as 63,200. So the dividends that's paid out of the profit will reduce the profit, and therefore the appropriation account will be debited with the 63,200. And then the income tax is 44,600. So the total amount that is paid for income tax to SARS is 44,600. That is also paid out of the profit, so the 44,600 will be recorded on the debit side of the appropriation account. And then by balancing, we will be able to determine what was the profit for the year. So in various exercises, they will either leave out the income tax, or they leave out the dividends or the profit. And if you don't know how to calculate this, the easiest way is to open an appropriation account, record all the information that they've given to you, and the unknown figure will be calculated by balancing the appropriation account. So you will be able to either calculate the profit or the dividends or the income tax if enough information was not given to you. And this appropriation account is a very good account to remember for calculations. So what did we learn? If the profit, the dividends, or the income tax is not provided, we will open an appropriation account, put in all the figures that's known, and by balancing, we will determine the unknown figure.